Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to find out a stock for tomorrow. That was Monday, and we selected some stock by yesterday. One is a Coromandel. The only one we are discussing about the Coromandel and how it performed today. It was good and almost generated 20 points. So in intraday, but I yesterday I don't like about to this stock for intraday because it is a somewhat illiquid stock. Most of the time, the options prices are not liquid on this particular stock. And but even though the stock was worked well and it forms a hammer or a doji at the bottom of a monthly low, and it broken the level of 1043 and it reaches up to 1061, but the risk for the trade is almost 33.32 point, but it generates you somewhere around 20 points today. So those who are doing the trading on this particular stock, congratulations, you may be getting some good profit on the stock, right? And these are patterns based on the candlesticks pattern we are doing it right now, and a lot of questions you are asking you on my WhatsApp and Telegram about the stop loss. See, the stop loss is the lowest level of the candle only, right? And the entry price is the highest level of the candle, because this is the rejection price rejection candle, because market fallen down and the price got rejected and it ending with a positive again. So means there is a opportunity the stock can reverse from the low. That is what we are expecting. And also we discussed about Dr. Reddy, and that was happening on the lowest level of doji. That is also performed well. Last 2 days it moves higher, and today it forms a doji her hammer like that in the highest level. But we have the stop loss at this point, and our entry point is around 4106, and our stop loss should be 4042. Right, still it almost generated 4195, almost 100 point from our entry point, nearby 95 point. From entry point it generate you. That was in 2 days, almost 90 point is the good enough. Right, so that is what we are discussing, and we are making videos for such a kind of candlesticks pattern. So let me focus. And today, my trade, which I took an India Bull Housing Finance, India Bull Housing Finance, IBUL. Right, it is not about intraday trade, it is a positional trade where I hold more than 3 days my position. 3-4 days I'm holding, because it's not about intraday, because everyone asking you bought today or not, like that. So it is intraday, not intraday trade. Last video I was discussing about some stocks I'm holding it right now. So that we discussed about our class. So India Bull Housing Finance, I was taking a position and I'm waiting for it. And currently it was giving me or generating me a profit somewhere around 11,000 rupees. And after my exit, it went up a little bit higher. But I'm not waiting for it, because today market is opening itself, it's positive. So this is what a trade. I took 115 call option around 10.3 as a positional strategy. So the strategy is based on my advanced options trading course. So it is the one of the strategy where we are doing a naked options. So here India Bulls were taken around 10.3 and it went up to almost 13.9 something today. I was exited with 13.3. It is almost some 20-25% of my investment where I invested on this India Bulls. Almost 40,000 where I invested, almost 11,900 is more than 25%. So it's good enough in 2 days, 3 days you get the 25% return. So will good. And I was exited. Okay, and after that it fallen down, and but it's not taken today or yesterday, day before yesterday. It was taken and folded for, I think 2nd of August, I think I'm taking, and I'm holding for 3 days, and today it generate me a profit that I was exited. Even some more trades also I'm holding, and those who are my advanced strategy students, you know about the stocks which is today, I think Indigo and Manappuram. So a lot of stock performed well, because I have already some position. I'm not increasing my position. Once I exited 1 or 2 lots, I can go to add my position. So if you are understanding about our strategy that we have discussed earlier, or you learned from me, so that strategy on Manappuram, Indigo, Interglobe Aviation, today it was performed very well, but I was not taken. Already I was taken a lot of positions. So why I'm not? So Indigo is a hanging man reversal. at the top, the candle where it is forms a hanging man. Once it is broken, that was moving well. So I am focusing around 1900 call option is from 150 rupees, it went up to 220 plus. So those who have followed this stock, so you may be getting good chances of making profit of 50% in intraday itself. But I seen that, but I am not taken. Even Manappuram was working good on our advanced strategy today. Let's see, three consecutive down, and today is the biggest move on that particular stock, and it was entering today, and maybe it triggers your target today itself. So based on advanced strategy, right? So what about the stocks for a next trading session? That was a Monday. So let me go to open our charting. So we will find out what are the stocks should be best for our trading for Monday. Let try to the reversal pattern in lot of stocks which forms. So you didn't get any stocks here, and the doji hammer, nothing. So no stocks were found for hammer, doji bottom, doji shooting star, nothing is there in a single candlestick pattern. Here some stocks which is called spinning top, Asian Paint, LTA, MPSs, and Coal India, Crompton. These are the stocks which are spinning top. I'm not mostly the spinning tops. We have to compare with some other indicators to find out whether the spinning top is good or bad. So let me go to find out double candlesticks pattern. Let me try it out. How many stocks will forms bearish engulfing white inside out up? So these are the stocks maybe good because this forms a inside out up. Let me go to ICICI and Tata Communications. Let's check it out. ICICI Bank inside out. So it was good and it skips higher, and so we have to focus the same stock which forms another high. It is already big stop loss, don't go for that ICICI Bank and leave it Tata Communications because it is happening at a highest level, so I am avoiding Tata Communication. Let's say this is also be happening at biggest stop loss. So if you are 1100 and your stop loss would be 1030, almost 70 point stop loss for the trade. I'm not going to interested to trade on this stock. So any other stock, bullish Arami. So new stocks, India Cement and REC. For a purely a positional trade, India Cement, and it was a good stock. In good to trade Harami, bullish Harami. This wasn't a bullish Harami. So where I can take entry in India Cements. So let me go to do it. This is what entry point 193.85, and the stop loss for the trade is almost 185. Another big stop loss, but this was a more powerful candlesticks pattern that already happened at the highest level. When the stock breaks this high, we can go for a buy. When it is breaks down, we can go for a sell also because that is happening at highest level. Once it is happening at highest level, it means that would be a great opportunity to reversal as well as continuation. But this pattern is a bullish continuation pattern or a bullish pattern. When the market is broke about 193, we can go for it long, and if it is breaks below 184, we can go for a short on that. And the second one is REC Limited, that is also slowly trading and highly liquid stock. RECL, that is also forms another Harami pattern. Let's see, this was a hammer where at bottom, and let's zoom the movement. Got it? So that's why I'm focusing these patterns always working good. So if you follow this, and you'll be going to get such a good number of stocks. This is what another stock where we got it, some 134.5 and 131 is the stop loss for the trade. So this is what another stock. We find out two stocks for my tomorrow's trade. One is REC Limited, and the second one is India Cements. So these two stocks you can focus it for tomorrow's trade. That will be having the chances. If it is give you the chances, we can go for a trade. And a lot of scanners and screeners we have. So but we do filter out the stocks based on the dark cloud cover Marico. But dark cloud cover, when it forms a open high, we can focus it out. So it is not form a open high, and also it is a big dark cloud. So we don't go for a this stock. And these are the stocks which I'm getting it from with a good opportunity, and we can do with this. And thank you for watching this video. And if you want to learn my advanced strategy, you can also learn an intraday course that we are going to conduct on next Friday. So if anyone who interested to do that, you can join with me and you can do with me. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, hit the like button. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.